A bulldozer is a powerful and versatile heavy construction equipment widely used in various construction, excavation, and earth-moving applications. The Komatsu D65E-12 is a crawler dozer with a blade capacity of 3.5 to 5.6 cubic meters, suitable for the construction and mining sectors. This unit features a powerful engine, easy maintenance, high durability, and excellent visibility. This product features a diesel engine with an output of 135 kilowatts and 180 HP to deliver optimal performance. The large-capacity semi-U-tilt dozer, combined with a powerful engine, ensures exceptional productivity. Operating weight, 19,125 kilograms. Operating weight includes all essential components such as fluids, fuel, operator, and standard equipment. This specification is crucial for determining the machine's stability, mobility, and its ability to handle various tasks efficiently. To support high work efficiency, the Komatsu D65E utilizes a blade with a capacity of 3.55 cubic meters. This is a substantial capacity suitable for construction and mining tasks. Modular designed powertrain units. The modular design allows easy removal and installation of any individual unit for shorter downtime. A flat bottom frame. The monocoque track frames and forward-mounted pivot shafts provide good maneuverability in muddy terrain by preventing mud from building up under the frame. Sturdy design. Because fewer components mean greater reliability, we've designed a simple hull frame made of a thick, single plate. Track frames have a large section construction for maximum rigidity. Even the box section construction of the blade back beam is reinforced, all with durability in mind. Tough undercarriage. Large diameter bushings, increased track link heights, and improved oil seals help to increase undercarriage durability. Serviceability has also been improved with the addition of remote greasing of the equalizer bar center pin. Low drive and long track undercarriage. Komatsu's design is extraordinarily tough and offers excellent grading ability and stability. Final drive. Double reduction final drives of spur gear and planetary gears to minimize transmission of shocks to powertrain components. Segmented sprocket are bolt-on for easy in-the-field replacement. Torque flow transmission. Komatsu's torque flow transmission consists of a water-cooled, 3-element, 1-stage, 1-phase torque converter and a planetary gear, multiple-disc clutch transmission which is hydraulically actuated and force lubricated for optimum heat dissipation. Joystick control of gears, 3 forward and 3 reverse, and directional steering changes. Gearshift lock lever and neutral safety switch prevent machine from accidental starts. Steering. Joystick controls for all directional movements. Joystick controls for all directional movements. Pushing the joystick forward results in forward machine travel, while pulling it rearward reverses the machine. Simply tilt the joystick to the left to make a left turn. Tilt it to the right for a right turn. Thank you for watching our video. To support our video, please like, share and comment.